ইয়ুথ আদারওয়াইজ আজকে সকালে অনেক বক্তা থেকে কথাগুলি এসেছে যে ডেমোগ্রাফিক ডিভিডেন্ডটা যদি আমরা না এনক্যাশ করবো কি করে। তো আমার মনে হয় যে আমরা আমাদের কিছুক্ষণ আগে কথা হচ্ছিল যে এসএমই ফাইন্যান্সিং এর মাইন্ডসেটটা আমাদের চেঞ্জ হয়েছে, কিন্তু স্টিল উই হ্যাভ টু গো এ লং ওয়ে। উই হ্যাভ টু চেঞ্জ আওয়ার মাইন্ডসেট ভেরি ফাস্ট অ্যান্ড এ লঙ্গার ওয়ে, বড় করে একটা অ্যাচিভ করার জন্য। এবং আমাদের চ্যালেঞ্জটা এখন কিন্তু মাইন্ডসেটটা যেখানটা আটকে আছে সেটা হচ্ছে কি আমাদের মাইক্রো এন্ড এস ফাইন্যান্সিং এর অ্যান্ড পার্টিকুলারলি স্টার্টআপস। তা আমরা ছোট করে ব্যাংক এসে আজকে আপনি যদি সকালে সেশন দেখেন যে মাননীয় গভর্নরের কাছে আমরা একটা প্রোডাক্ট লঞ্চ করেছি, সম্ভাবনা ইজ ফর দি স্টার্টআপস। কোনো সিকিউরিটি নেই, 18 থেকে 45 বছর বয়স সীমা রাখা হয়েছে উডবি এন্টারপ্রেনিয়ারদের, যাদেরকে আমরা এই উদ্যোগে সহায়তা করব। এবং এইভাবে হয়তো আমাদের আরও ব্যাংকগুলো কালে আসবেন যারা আপনাদের মতো এই ইয়াং গ্রুপকে এন্টারপ্রেনিয়াল অ্যাবিলিটি এবং সাপোর্ট, ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল সাপোর্টটা দিয়ে যাবে টু ক্যারি অন উইথ দেয়ার বিজনেস ভায়াবল প্রজেক্টস। আমরা ছোট্ট করে শুধু বিজনেসটাকে দেখব যে আপনার উই ডোন্ট নিড এনি এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, ট্রেড লাইসেন্স ফর 2 years or 3 years. Purely for this product is purely for startups. তো আবার আমি মানে এনকারেজ করবো এবং রিকোয়েস্ট করবো অন্য ব্যাংকগুলো, ফাইন্যান্সিয়াল ইনস্টিটিউশনগুলো কারো হয়তো আছে, অন্যরাও এই ধরনের প্রোডাক্ট নিয়ে আসবে ইন এ গ্রেটার ওয়ে। থ্যাংক ইউ।
So today, I mean, this is really a very important day for the SME sector, because today we have seen the floating of this IMSME of Bangladesh. In fact, Bangladesh Bank is really the institution behind inspiring these people to form this association, and they have also been inspired by the IMSME of India. In fact, that way Bangladesh Bank has again proved that this is really a different central bank, because this should not be the role of the central bank, and Bangladesh Bank is really playing the role of a developmental central bank. In fact, Bangladesh Bank policy is to materialize the inclusive banking or inclusive finance in this particular country, ultimately to bring forth this inclusive growth for this particular country. So we are therefore again appreciating the role of Bangladesh Bank for helping these people to form this association, and we are hopeful that this association, like IMSME of India, will also play a very effective and definite role for the development of SME sector. So with these few words, again extending our thanks.
The next one goes to Mr. Salim Arif Hussain, MD and CEO IDLC. Then we have Mr. Mahmood Shah, Managing Director National Finance, and Mr. Sabur Khan, Chairman, Daffodil University. Yes, as I was saying, the panel discussion 2, joint initiatives between IMSME of Bangladesh and IMSME of India and scaling across the globe. Guest of honors and the discussants, they are Mr. Mohammad Abdul Salam, CEO, Janata Bank.
We are very much delighted to hear that the mission of IMSME of Bangladesh is to become a self-sustaining one-stop solution for growth, promotion, excellence and competitiveness of existing and aspiring MSME by providing guided roadmap and tried-tested, credible, affordable and ready-made solution to enable them to save time, energy and cost. SME is an engine of growth of development of economy.
So if there are certain solutions which are working fine for entrepreneurs in a similar ecosystem, anything which adds value, delivery terms, so as a collective platform, I think you will have a huge power to negotiate, and it will be a win-win-win model for everyone. The final step is that When the entrepreneurs get the right bargain, the right advice, when the service providers and the product providers get a huge captive market through your good offices, then IMSME of Bangladesh must become sustainable. So there has to be a sustainability element, and that should be purely on a win-win-win model, so that the sustenance money that flows through the system should not hurt anyone. In fact, that money should be like seed money, which you can help grow for future projects. Let me also share that, and I made in my presentation also, that technology is one area which individually micro and small entrepreneurs cannot have access to, or sometimes they find a huge gap. That is where IMSME of Bangladesh must intervene. You should also develop some products, some platforms which can be utilized by entrepreneurs in this nation.
Very short, you wish to complete. I can request Munazir give his view.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. The skill manpower of this bank has started SME program from 2009, and as on today, the bank has financed around 4,000 crore taka to 20,000 loanees.
I am a senior Bangladesh work. In other area, uses of or involvement of IT, because since IT or technology is a costly thing.
The launch of this organization, actually this is a paradigm shift by itself, because I believe this is the first time an organization has been set up by the entrepreneurs themselves. Just like to make one particular statement, is that the Inspired project hopefully will be able, provided the European delegation will approve, is to provide support in developing this initiative between IMSME of India and IMSME of Bangladesh.
The subject here is that how to bring in synergy between the two SMEs of friendly countries, how to learn. So that is the subject to which we must concentrate. So I must say that IMSME of India has gone forward, they are ahead, they have developed their apps, so there's no need to reinvent the wheel, and it's not rocket science. So IMSME of Bangladesh, I can see, are very young people, they look very enthusiastic, they are on their feet. So the best thing is to bring in synergies, learn from the Indian experience and adapt it to Bangladesh.
With this point, thanking you all, I am bringing the panel discussion close. Thank you all. Thank you.
And we have one for Mr. Shukumar Sinha Chaudhary, Mr. Anisir Khan. Finally, we have another one for Mr. Chawla. Thank you so much. All of us, we are actually hungry. Please, all of you are invited to lunch. Bye-bye from here.
All right, friends, allow me to introduce jewels from India. They are the people who actually make the SME world of India vibrant and happening. They are the people who actually make IMSME of India. Just because I am the chairman, so sometimes I get all the credit, I get all the appreciation. But I must admit that I don't do all the work. In fact, I am the only one who does not do any work. And all work is assigned and delegated to our team. And it is actually the team which is making things happen. I'll first invite Mr. Amit Kumar Agarwal. Amit Kumar Agarwal is Managing Director of his own company. He manufactures agricultural equipment. In IMSME of India, Amit
You have 60 seconds.
We are into manufacturing of food processing machines, and particularly we are into manufacturing of auto rice mills. So there are a number of auto rice mills. There are a number of rice mills in Bangladesh. There are almost 16,000 rice mills in Bangladesh. And out of those 16,000 rice mills, there are only 1,000 rice mills that have been converted into auto rice mills. So there are ample of scope for them to be converted into auto rice mills. And in IMSME of India, I am looking after the lean manufacturing cluster, business excellence cluster. In this cluster, we used to adopt 10 industries in one cluster. They used to form one cluster, and they collectively try to improve their organization and try to make it a world class. We take the services of consultants like Mr. Vinod Pandita for doing this. Thank you.
Chartered accountant, a financial expert, our counselor in financial literacy matters, Mr. Sangeet Gupta.
In India, there's something called Janam Patri. Do you have something like this here? Janam Patri is a horoscope which the spiritual person sees before you are married off. When the bankers here in the session 1 said something, that as entrepreneur has to be bankable. The entrepreneur has to be bankable. He wants funds, the bank wants to give funds, but he's not bankable. He sees your balance sheet, which is your Janam Patri. That is your horoscope, because if that balance sheet, that income tax return, that financial paper makes sense to the banker, he'll say, okay, come on, welcome. There were so many bankers out here in the morning who were ready to give you funds. But there was another bundle of people who want funds, but they say bankers are too tight. They don't have any logic, they want this and that, but they will not give me the funds. So, in the credit facilitation cell, the core logic is to educate the entrepreneur so that he can think in the right way. He can plan what he wants, what the banker wants, and how to make himself bankable. That's the core idea of this credit facilitation cell as we have done in India.
কিভাবে কাজ করবে আপনারা একবারই দেখেন, সেটা হচ্ছে যে আমাদের এখানে IMSME বাংলাদেশেও আমাদের মঈন ভাই আছেন যিনি পরে আসবেন, ওনার নিজস্ব রাইস মিল আছে, ওনার এই ধরনের একটা এক্সপার্টিস আছে। সো B2B সেশনগুলোতে আপনারা যারা এই লাইনে কাজ করেন, আপনারা একসাথে বসে তাদেরকে ফ্যাসিলিটেট করা হবে কিভাবে আপনাদের ব্যবসাটা বৃদ্ধি পেতে পারে, এবং ওনাদের যে এক্সপার্টিসটা আছে সেই এক্সপার্টিসটা আপনারা আসলে কিভাবে নিজেদের কাছে নিতে পারেন। প্লিজ।
Thank you. And now we have Mr. Ajay Kar.
Gems to ornaments, and prior to that I run my own show. Same thing many of you will be doing here. That means the first lesson, that your personal show continues even when you are contributing time in IMSME of Bangladesh. That means the complete delegation of work at your place. That will be the first priority for the 16 captains of IMSME of Bangladesh. I am repeating that when you will be devoting your time here in IMSME of Bangladesh, simultaneously your show, your personal show shall also run very perfectly. And for that, if you have not, then this is the time to develop delegation and second competent person who is able to kick you out of your business premises so that you can contribute at the forum of IMSME of Bangladesh. Thank you.
প্রথম ই-কমার্স সাইট নিয়ে কে ব্যবসা করতে চাচ্ছে, কিংবা আপনাদের মধ্যে থেকে এমন কে আছেন যে IMSME of বাংলাদেশকে কেন্দ্র করে একটা ই-কমার্স সাইট তৈরি করবেন যেটা দিয়ে ব্যবসা করবেন? কেউ আছেন? অনেকগুলো হাত আছে। আমি প্রথম হাত তুলেছি কারণ আমিও করতে চাই এবং আমি একজন কম্পিটিটর, এবং আমরা সবাই একসাথে কাজ করে আসলে মেজর বেনিফিটটা আমরা বের করে আনবো। কিভাবে আনবো সেটা আমরা পরবর্তীতে ডিসকাস করছি।
So ask them to submit just one page on what is their project idea, what they will do to IMSME of Bangladesh. IMSME of Bangladesh can scrutinize, select, just forward us 5. Out of those 5, we'll pick up 2 or 3 to begin with. But slowly, one by one, we can pick up 1 or 2 every month. Over a period of time, we'll give everybody a chance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the great opportunity. আপনাদের কাছে এখনই একটা যে এসছে সেটা হচ্ছে যে এটা বিজনেস অপরচুনিটি হিসাবে আপনাদেরকে নিতে হবে, যে আপনারা কি ধরনের প্রজেক্ট কিংবা কি ধরনের বিজনেস ডেভেলপ করতে চান সেটার উপরে আপনারা জাস্ট এক পৃষ্ঠার একটা লেখা তৈরি করবেন যে আপনাদের প্রজেক্ট, এটা হচ্ছে আপনাদের প্রজেক্ট। এরকম প্রজেক্ট তৈরি করে আপনারা আইএমএসএমই বাংলাদেশের টিমকে জমা দিবেন। এখান থেকে আমরা যে মেরিট অনুযায়ী কয়েকটা প্রজেক্ট আইএমএসএমই অফ ইন্ডিয়াকে ফরওয়ার্ড করব। সো তার মধ্যে থেকে ওনারা প্রত্যেক মাসে মেরিট অনুযায়ী একটা কি দুইটা প্রজেক্ট ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশনে ওনারা সহযোগিতা করবেন। হ্যাঁ, হাততালিটা গুড। তার মানে কেউ বুঝতে পারছেন, মানে বোঝাটা এই রেসপন্সটা খুব দরকার। এবং বুঝতে না পারলে কোনো কিছু নিয়ে যদি আপনাদের কনফিউশন হয়, মানে একটা হচ্ছে ডিটেল আলোচনা আমরা এখন যাব না, পরবর্তীতে ডিটেল আলোচনা করছি, কিন্তু ইমিডিয়েট যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে তাহলে আপনারা প্রশ্ন করতে পারেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।
In fact, I would request Souvik Sabui to bring his very gracious and beautiful wife Anita Sabui also along with him. Anita and Souvik.
Material handling equipment like engineering products, তার উপরেই আমার basically company business and crane engineering. মনে হয় না আমার এখানে কেউ সেরকম মেটেরিয়াল হ্যান্ডলিং এর কেউ আছে, আই মিন এনিওয়েজ, বাট আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে এখানে এসে। এবং আইএমএসএমই বাংলাদেশের লঞ্চিং দেখে আমি সত্যি করে প্রচণ্ড মুগ্ধ আর কি, মানে এত সুন্দর, মানে রিয়েলি ইটস রিমার্কেবল টু অল দ্য আইএমএসএমই বাংলাদেশ টিম। সো অ্যান্ড আমি ইন্ট্রোডিউস করাতে চাই আমার ওয়াইফ অনিতা সাবুই, আমাদের এসডিডি সাপ্লাই চেইন সলিউশনের ডাইরেক্টর। এবং ওর যেটা নিয়ে কাজ করছে সেটা হচ্ছে বেসিক্যালি দ্য প্রফিশিয়েন্সি ইন ইংলিশ। আমি একটা জিনিস দেখেছি, কলকাতা বা বাংলাদেশ ইংলিশ ব্যাপারটা অনেকটা আমরা পিছিয়ে থাকি অনেক সেক্টরে, অনেক জায়গায়। তো আমি ওকে এটাই বলেছিলাম যে সিন্স শি হ্যাজ ডান হিজ ইউএস প্রফিশিয়েন্সি, তো আমি ওকে বলেছিলাম যে তুমি ইংলিশের ব্যাপারটাকে নিয়ে একটুখানি দেখো যে স্কিল ডেভেলপমেন্ট কী করে প্রফিশিয়েন্সি অফ ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটাকে বাড়ানো যায়, তাতে আরও কনফিডেন্স আমাদের এমএসএমই সেক্টরে বাঙালিদের মধ্যে বাড়বে। তো তার উপরই ও করছে। তো আমি ওকে মাইকটা দিচ্ছি, ও কিছু বলতে চাই।
I'm basically into the HR and admin department, but what I look after is developing the proficiency in English as a language in our country, as well as looking forward to do something good in Bangladesh as well.
Thank you, Hitashi.
I'm among you right now. I think first of all I must congratulate IMSME of Bangladesh from the core of my heart. It is such a beautiful program you have organized, and I think you have achieved a milestone. As a professional, I am into consulting for the last almost 18 years. What I consult on is for SMEs especially is to develop SMEs, to coach them to become more organized. Now when I say organized, it is basically that every SME needs to have a plan of action that what that SME has to do.
We are in the business from 2005 from Polar Group, and the untimely death of my father, the 25% stake in that group, we started bicycle rims, and I believe in that great man of the world come from among us the common man, and hard work never goes unrewarded, and within 5 years I become the largest manufacturer of bicycle mudguards and rims in the world.
Wow. As I am already been introduced by my chairman, I'm just carrying what I do. This is called packaging. What we have positives in us. If we are able to project those positives through our body language, through our grooming, clothing, that leads to success.
A woman entrepreneur, as graceful as she would, you can see while she walks up, she is extremely talented in event management, in communication, in a lot of other things. I would rather ask Ruhi to introduce her work to Bangladesh.
I congratulate
IMSME Bangladesh for achieving such milestones, and I myself actually is feeling proud to be a part of this, the association here. What I do is, I am working as a consultant who deals with the different, the verticals into the licensing, marketing. Basically, the core forte into the institutional, you can say, the standards to upgrade their admission level, placement level, tie-ups with the foreign universities and corporates.
We have recently joined IMSME India and Mr. Rajiv Chawla. We are impressed, and now we are taking his mission to a deep Rajasthan. It's a big state. Most of people must be knowing it. And this event, IMSME Bangladesh, I am really impressed.
और मुझे यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैंने कोशिश करी है सीखने की. अगर गलती करूँ, if I am wrong, please excuse me. I love the words Sopnota Satikare. I hope that's right. So it's like Sopnota Satikare, Sopnota Satikare. And wish IMSME of Bangladesh becomes the SME to take Bangladesh by storm, and then we spread our wings all over the region with IMSME of India. Both of us work in tandem and we work together. You can't do business today, anything that is not, that it has to be excellence. So if you believe you are the best, you will survive, you'll do well, and you'll dictate terms. So that's one thing that we do at the Women Entrepreneur Cell, IMSME of India. And before we wind up, it has to be 3 cheers for the team IMSME of Bangladesh. I'm not doing it now.
Don't do it now. Do we have to?
I'm not doing it now. But then it's incredible job. Thank you so much, team IMSME of Bangladesh, for being team with us.
Hello and good evening. Madan Chawla, as Rajiv sir just said, is my name. Actually, I come from the multinational background. So when I came to this industry association about 6 months ago, I felt like I'm an alien. Second month, I found myself in the no man's land. And now when I wake up in the morning, I say, I don't say good morning. I say, proud to say, I am IMSME of India. Thank you so much.
And I have come to the dais just to thank you and your team. Very excellent team.
একটা জোরে হাততালি হয়ে যাক.
Yes. একটা হাততালি হলো Indian team and one হাততালি for Bangladesh team. Where is your team? I request the members of IMSME of Bangladesh to come to the dais.
As this is a very big opportunity, and all of here, the people who are waiting here, you will also be the member of this organization. So we'll have a group photo later on with all of you. So just a minute, after the session of this thing, we'll have a group photo.
And since you are all entrepreneurs here, all business people here, many of you are parents, many of you are family members, and I'm going to speak to you a very small story on leadership. So, friends, I was studying in England, and that was the time I was following a routine in the morning. Every morning I used to get up 7 o'clock, come to a bus stop, take a bus at 8:30, and go to my college. And I was following this routine for 18 months. And all of a sudden, one fine morning, I came to the bus stop and I saw that there is a new bus and there's a new bus driver coming in with that bus. And all of a sudden, when the bus came and stopped there and the door opened, I was the first person to get into the bus. And the minute I was about to walk into the bus driver says, "Good morning and welcome to my bus today morning, sir." And the minute bus driver says good morning to me, I just looked back so that
maybe he's talking to someone, but the bus driver says, no, good morning, I'm welcoming you, sir. And with a thanks note, I got into the bus. And then I saw that that bus driver was greeting each and every person who was getting into the bus. And all of a sudden, when the door got closed, and I was looking on the back side and I saw that there was a smile on everyone's face. No one was talking to anyone, but there was a nice smile on everyone's face. And with many thanks to him, I got down from the bus. And the minute when I started walking down, it made me to think that particular day, what kind of driver I am. So to all ladies and gentlemen, with a special note, I want to say all of you, it's so important in life to understand what kind of person I am, because you are your best judge, and each day, every minute is extremely important for you. Instead of talking about others, instead of speaking about others, it is so important in life to think about yourself, that who are you. Thank you so much. Namaste, and see you tomorrow.
ট্রেনিং সেশনটা ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। তারপরে ওখানে আলাপ হবে, বিটুবি হবে, আমাদের একজন আরেকজনকে চেনা জানার ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট, বিকজ দিস ইজ অ্যাসোসিয়েশন। আমাদের ওয়েবসাইট www.imsmeofbangladesh.com.bd imsmeofbangladesh.com এ কিন্তু না, ওই ওয়েবসাইটটা আমরা লিঙ্ক করবো, যেটা সবুর খান সাহেব বললেন। আমাদের এখনকার ওয়েবসাইটটা আছে www.imsmeofbangladesh.com.bd